Hello YouTube, this is Mike again, back with another video. Well, today we going out on the boat. We got a brand new motor, no fishing today. We're just getting out and breaking the motor and going out on the lake to break the motor in. There's Captain Fred. You ready?
What up YouTube? What up YouTube? We ready. Long time waiting, so hopefully everything will go okay today.
Yeah.
Catalina, here we come.
Well, we'll see you guys out on the water in a little bit. Well, we got the boat in the water. We're putting around, about to get it up to a little bit of RPMs.
Ain't no 600 RPM.
Okay, Fred, so how many RPMs we got to do what?
So right now we at 1500 RPMs. We got to go at 500 RPMs every minute and for a whole hour. Then once we get to 4500 RPM, we start all over again back down to 500. So we got to go from 500 to 4500 for 1 hour for the break-in. Oh, here we go. Right now we at 9 miles an hour. Having some problems with the gauge.
With the gas gauge.
The gas gauge.
But that's the break-in period. The shop that put the motor in, they broke it in mostly, but we have to do the last. We're doing the last hour on the break-in of the new Mercury 250. There it is up here.
You got the
They just told us we couldn't stay in the middle. They said today is jet ski day, so we have to stay on the outer parts today. Okay, we got a new anchor. We're gonna set up. We're gonna use it for the first time. See how this works out. See how it do. Seems to be working good so far. Let me get up there and get a better look at it.
Hold on, dude.
I'm holding on. Okay. Getting a better look at it now. Go ahead. Hold on. Or is it? Okay, yeah, it's working right. We at the bottom. Okay, it went down. The anchor went down fine. It's holding good. We're gonna bring it back up. We're testing all of this stuff before we go out in the ocean. The next time we go out, we're going out in the ocean, do some fishing. It's working good. How many feet of water are we in?
42.
That's it.
Is it up there?
Yeah, come on, a little bit more. Go ahead. It's the change here though. Just yeah. We're in 42 feet of water right now. Works great. The other anchor, we would be fighting with it when we was out in the ocean. This is nice. I'm gonna give you guys a look at the lake. What lake is this again?
Puddingstone.
This is Puddingstone Lake. Give you guys a lake, a look all the way around.
All right, not bad today. We couldn't get it up as fast as we wanted to because of the rules today. The lifeguard said it's not today, but everything went as planned.
You turn it on.
You turn it on?
Well, we made it back. We got the boat out the water. So hopefully next time we'll be out on the ocean.
tabs moving? Look at the tabs. Are they moving?
Try to move it. No, this one not. Let's see. This one is. Try to move this one. Yeah, they're moving.
Okay, so it's opposite. So this one on this side is for the left. And this one on the left for the right. They both moving though?
Yeah. So that's it, guys. We got the boat all washed up and put away. Next time we plan on going out to the ocean and doing some fishing since we got the motor all broken in. Don't forget, like and subscribe to my channel. See you guys next time.